Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9 English Medium Subject Science Chapter number 8. In last lecture we have to prove three equations of motion. A is equal to v minus u divided by t. It means at is equal to v minus u. First equation. Second equation we have to prove s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Third equation 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Now help of three equation we solve some example related to motion. Example number 8.5. In question details are train is started journey to rest condition to reach 72 km/h in time periods given 5 minutes. So find acceleration and distance can be covered by train. So two questions have here given. First find acceleration and then find value of s, distance covered by train. So detail can be written. Started from rest condition, it means u is equal to 0 meter per second. Value of v final, it means 72 km/h. Now converted into meter per second, therefore kilometer units converted into meter per second, therefore multiply by 5/80. So we know that here 1000 divided by 3600, it means 5 divided by 18 or 18 divided by 5. So kilometer converted into meter per second, then divide by multiply by 5/18. Now meter per second to convert into kilometer per second, so 18 divided by 5. After cancelling, remains part is 20 meter per second. Final velocity, initial velocity and time are given. T is equal to 5 minutes. It means how many seconds? Multiply by 60, therefore 300 second time. First question we have to solve. Find value of a. So using first equation, a is equal to v minus u divided by t. Therefore value of v is equal to 20 minus initial 0 divided by 300. So we get 1/50 meter per second square. Value of a. So first question will be complete. Now solve second question. How many distance covered by train? So value of s. Using second equation or third equation, use any equation you get answer from using both equation. Now we use first equation s, third equation 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Subject s, therefore 2 into 8, 2 into 1/15 into s is equal to v square minus u, it means initial 0, therefore taken 0. V is equal to 20. 2 divided by 15 multiply by s is equal to 400. Now subject s 400 is 2 multiplication, therefore division converted into multiplication. 400 divided by 2, 200. 5 into 2, 30 and 00 meter. Now 30, it means converted into kilometer. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 3000 meters, it means 3 kilometers. So train can be traveled by 3 kilometers. Next question 8.6. One car started his journey for 18 km/h. Speed can be reached to time taken 5 seconds. Then also same find acceleration a and distance covered by this time duration. So given detail, also car is rest condition. In question, car have 18 kilometers to 36 kilometers per hour. So now car is not started from rest condition, it started from 18 kilometers to 36 kilometers. So initial velocity u is equal to 18 kilometers per hour. We know that converted into meter per second, therefore multiply by 5 by 18. So initial velocity is equal to 5 meter per second. Now final velocity reach 36 km per hour. Therefore 36 multiplied by 5 by 18, it means 5 into 10 meter per second. Value of u and value of v. Time is already given 5 seconds, so no change. T is equal to 5. Find value of a, same equation, v minus u divided by t. Value of v, final 10, initial 5 divided by time taken 5. So answer is 1 meter per second square, value of t. Now find how many distance covered by this car. So in this equation we can use third equation. So now using second equation. You can use any equation out of 2 and 3. Answer will be same. So using second equation, s is equal to ut plus 1/2 a t square. When given in question, time are given, so using second equation. In question, time is not given, so compulsory use third equation. S can be find. Value of q is equal to 0 into 2, therefore 0. 1 by 2. Value of a is equal to m. Time in given 5 seconds, so using 5. Now 0 into t 0, 1 into 5 divided by 2, it means 2.5 meters distance can be covered. So value of u, now in case value of u is equal to 5 and time t is equal to 5, therefore 25 plus 5 by 2, so 25 plus 2.5. So answer is 1 by 2 plus 1 into 5. It means 5 divided by 2. So final answer is 25 plus value of a. Value of a is equal to 1 and t are given 5, but here t square, it means 5 square, it means 25 divided by 2. So answer is 12.5. Therefore 25 plus 12, 37.5 meter distance can be covered by car. So question remains. Similar question of exercise are solved by itself in homework. Next lecture we have to solve similar question according to using the equation. Thank you friends.